Hello students, welcome to St. Thomas School, Class 7, Social Studies Revision Lecture for Thursday. Today I am going to explain you important points of India, climate and natural resources. The definition of climate is refers to the average weather condition, then place of India where it is situated 8 degree north to 37 degree north. Then we will come to the seasonal winds, direction of the seasonal winds. Then heavy rainfall in Meghalaya and Assam and scanty rainfall of Rajasthan. Dear students, please refer this all important point. Then the water bodies of the three side. So it is a peninsular mode, moderate climates, seasonal rainfall, winter, summer and monsoons. Different classification is given and surrounded by the peninsula's water bodies. Winter experiences in cold weather December, January and February. Then summer between March to May and monsoon between June to September. There are many regions which is receiving highest rainfall and there are many regions which is receiving lowest rainfall. These are the main points that we have to discuss. Retreating monsoon winds bring rainfall to the Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Climatic effect on the human life. It is a tremendous effect on human life. Variety of diets, scanty rainfall Rajasthan is facing. People of northern India, people of southern India, their climatic conditions. Then staple food of local people and the people who are living near the sea coast. Then mineral resource. Important thing of the mineral resources, natural resources and land resources and water resources. If we talk about water resource, mineral resource and land resource, Indian resources are extremely great and very important. First of all, the rivers of India, which is divided into the 2 points, northern Indian rivers and southern Indian rivers. Sindhu, Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra. Ganga is also known as Bhagirathi. Ganga and Brahmaputra are major waterways of India used for the navigation purpose. Then Punjab, Panch means 5, Ab means water. Jhelum, Chenab, Satluj, Ravi and Beas, rivers of Punjab. Kosi river is also very important regarding the flood destroying in Bihar and Nepal. Southern India, Tapi, Narmada, Mahanadi. Central India and mountains of different points. Narmada is originating from the Amarkantak. Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Tungabhadra. Multi-purpose project and beneficiary state stable. Then natural lakes of fresh water and salt water. These all are points important for us. Then next comes state, river and lakes, artificial constructed in India. Information about Narmada project. Mineral resources is divided into 3 types: metallic, non-metallic, power generating minerals from where it is available. These all points we are learning in the revision part. Then comes uses of it. Then land resources, forest area and sanctuaries and other points which is given here: coniferous, tidal forest, thorny forest, etc. We are learning these points in our topic. Then importance of forest onwards we will continue our revision for the next session. Till then I remain. Thank you students.